time, he was struggling with little or no funds, yet he pulled everyone along, sometimes in his favorite Volkswagen Beetle. And his dedication and hard work have since paid off, and he has played a significant role in the success of many big names in the entertainment industry. This is my brother, he's my friend. I'm truly, truly proud of you, and I'm so happy to be presenting this award to you on behalf of Silverbird Group. Congratulations.
Oh, wow. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellencies. I stand on the existing protocol. Thank you for this. I've lived my life behind the scenes, rewarding deserving artists across the country. Little did I know that my time will come when I'll be receiving awards too. I'd like to say thank you to the organizers. Thank you for honoring me with this, and trust me, I'm not taking it for granted. I won't, and I'm not about to stop. Thank you very much. Distinguished Excellencies and all the people that are supporting our brands, that are giving us wings to fly, I say a big thank you. Governor Sanwo-Olu, thank you so much for supporting the Eddies as well, coming all the way to Atlanta and still continuing to support the Eddies. Thank you everyone here. Thank you. God bless you. I really appreciate you so much, and all the people that have actually grown with IP TV, the Eddies, and all the platforms we created. God bless you. Have a good evening. Thank you.
Congratulations. Okay, you can see how you and I have been friends for a long time, since those books. I'd like to recognize a woman here tonight who many Lagosians love with the whole of their hearts, because of her simplicity and the fact that she compliments her husband 100%. She is the chairperson. She's not just only the First Lady of Lagos State. Her pet project cares for the woman. It's called Jumejilo Multi-Birth Assistance Program, JMAP. Please put your hands together for Her Excellency, the wife of the Governor of Lagos State, Dr. Ibijoke Sanwo-Olu.
Tó bá ń wá mi tó bá rí mi, Ìbíjọkẹ́ mo bá ròde, Egúnṣẹ́nu jẹ́jẹ́ ayọ̀, aya governor, Yabomisa Sawale. We have done the Saleko one, abi? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, the next award is going to be going to a very young man, probably the youngest person to stand on this stage to receive an award. It is the award for the most influential influencer. And let me not talk much. Just watch the video and his name will be revealed at that time. You know, like magic. You know Professor Peller, the magician. You know, there was a magician called Professor Peller. Say, Serikin Serikin Jandi Dare Abracadabra. Video, play.
Peller has become a force to reckon with in digital entertainment, captivating audiences with his sharp humor and unconventional streaming style. His ability to engage and entertain has not only set new records, but also redefined content creation in Nigeria. Born Habib Hamzat on May 10, 2005 in Ikorodu, Lagos, Peller's journey into the world of content creation began in 2021.
Comment, like and share. Comment down. Share. Comment and like. Share and like.
Though his early days were filled with challenges, his consistency and unique approach earned him a loyal following. Peller's rise to stardom accelerated in 2023, breaking multiple streaming records in Africa. His most viewed stream peaked at 76,000 viewers, surpassing his previous milestone featuring Nigerian music legend Olamide. His influence only grew stronger, earning him the Best Content Creator Award at the Trace Awards and Festival 2024. Beyond the numbers, Peller's creativity and innovation have made him a household name, inspiring the next generation of digital creators. His collaboration with global figures, including Dax and top Nigerian influencers, has solidified his position as one of Nigeria's most impactful online personalities. For his outstanding contributions to digital entertainment and his influence in reshaping the content creation landscape, Habib Hamzat, also known as Peller, after a keenly contested voting process, emerges as the recipient of the prestigious Silverbird Most Influential Influencer Award.
Peller, where are you? Peller, where is that boy? Peller, I hear he was born in Ikorodu. Itailewa, which place? Peller. To present the award to young Mr. Peller is Miss Supranational herself, a beauty queen, a very Dide. Ọmọ tó bá ti mọ wọ́ wẹ̀.
Ó di dandan kó gbàgbàjà.
Paula Ezendu, the lovely Peller. See who will present your prize. Miss Supernatural Nigeria. You try anything, I will tell Jarvis. Jarvis is there. Okay, so this is the person presenting the award. You will receive the award, and after you receive the award, you will talk small. Then you will go with Jarvis. Then me and her will go this way. You go there. Are we okay? You all right? Go ahead.
Well, here you go. Congratulations on all your endeavors, and I wish you the best.
I'm speechless. Everybody, okay. I'm so sorry. I did not prepare. I don't know people will be lost like this. Okay. I'm so grateful. Thank you, Sifabed. God bless you. I don't know I will win this award. My contestants are very strong, and I did it with my baby over here. It's so powerful, and we have it together. Yes, come and speak. You go do this.
Thank you, Silverbed. Thank you, everybody that is here. Thank you for your support. We love and appreciate all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, the governor. Thank you, the president, Mr. Sanwo-Olu. God bless you, sir. Every hair's pausing. God bless you. And my fans, they try for me. Everywhere, they don't enter the YouTube, they don't spoil everywhere. God bless you. You guys are too. See the white, you understand? So thank you. God bless you. I love you all. Mwah.
Mwah. Your Excellency, Governor Sanwo-Olu is from your state, Ikorodu. You know their oriki. You see the way he handles Jarvis. Ashale jeje. Beniti orobinrin ri. Ikodu ọ̀gá. Olówó orí Jarvis. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the next award will be going to somebody who I know very well. I know him so well, and I can attest to the fact that when you are looking for gentlemen This is a gentleman, but he has a qualification before you call him. He's a debonair gentleman, stylish and talented, and he has a sharp mind. The intellectual barrister thespian in the person and personage of the one and only RMD.